Minista Muviani wa Kisomo Julius Ogamba Niwatula Muti Mutongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua Aimuweta Utwaiisye Uteti wa Ukavila na ola Kwianana na Ogamba Nikana Nukunite Amanyiwa Vanene na Matekonasyaa na Uteti ainene achathini cha kulilomoko kwa Profesa Kivutha Kibwana kutwika chancellor wa kimanisio cha yolo cha International Leadership University cha Kulikiliila cha Utwaiisye Kitengela kaunti ya Kajiado. Ogamba niwenda Ateti mabetange Uteti Kisomo nake Kibwana Niwatula onaitina wa kutwika chancellor nukuendeya na maundu make masiasa mulei mulinge edivota witu kuma Makueni
na kavina nika kumwiki ola governor wa Makueni Profesa Kivutha Kibwana kwitha chancellor wa International Leadership University Ukavila Kitengela campus. Ogamba ni wendi Ateti kwifadhana na Kisomo na kumya maoneni mo mathimete kukonya maundu ma Kisomo.
I want to encourage us as Kenyans and as people, men and women of faith, take our position. Let us help this country. Take the Ministry of Education, for instance. We have 11 million learners from ECD all the way to the university, spread across this country. So when you tell me, don't touch this, what do I do with those learners in that place? And yet, these learners or these young people do not share in those beliefs of us being different and of us not being Kenyan.
Kavina nika Mutongoi mandeni nimendi Ateti kuweka kuvuya ndoto sia kwanya Kenya mesingine ambaye mbomba naone sio.
We are being told every other day by leaders to hate each other, to hate our country, to hate the next person. We don't see anything good in a person who perhaps does not come from your community. That is not what you taught us. That is not what this country is about.
Kenya needs love. We are a multi-ethnic society. Tukubali mapema. We are also in this country. Ladies and gentlemen, you are here and I'm also here. And I don't come from your county. And you don't come from my county. And there's no place I'm going. And there's no place we are going. Situaje kupendana mapema jameni.
Bama enda Ateti kuthima ndoto sio kavinane kanthi ya Kenya yende kusia uongeleku wa ivivya Uteti.
Some of these things we are talking about are tribal. Let's remember we are in this nation together. We should reach out to one another. Can you raise people who shall influence by the way they love, the way they care, the way they honor one another? That's why you'll find me, I can speak many of your languages. I can speak Kikamba. I can speak Kikuyu. I can speak Ikegusi. And why? Because I love all these communities. As a pastor, God has allowed me to visit all these counties, preaching and teaching. And I've seen people giving their lives to Christ in many of these areas. Because of that, my friend, you cannot turn my heart against any community in this country.
Mutongoi TV ndilivotia nyenetwa mulei mulingem.